Najua unapenda Toyota Mark X. I have seen so many guys, especially wale majamaa wa Forex, and the upcoming rich men or rich boys. They love Mark X specifically for its power and for its stability on the road, especially at high speeds. Now, since you love your car, just the same way you buy a good cloth for yourself, come for these headlights. They have the paper. They may not be that clear. I don't want to peel the paper because I want to make sure you are the one to peel the paper when you buy them. You know, when they're still covered, they are this glossy. You see this? They are very glossy because they are very new. But when they are left open, that glossiness disappears. So I want you to feel that smell, your harufu ya brand new headlights. This one, two of them, I'll give you at a cash offer of 120,000. If you want one, come with 60,000 tutakupea. This is a plug and play. They do have bulbs. These ones you don't have to buy bulbs. Bulbs iko already installed. So kama unataka hizi headlights, kuja tutakuuzia na tuko located Kitengela. Karibuni sana. This is Rhino Auto Hub.